Intel, and today I want to talk to you about the three linchpins that are going to make an enormous difference to the success of growing your practice. Let me know if you are live, hashtag live. Let me know if you're watching the replay, hashtag replay. And also, please let me know that you can hear me and that you can see the screen okay. I'm just going to go and check that the sound is working. Fingers crossed it is. Otherwise, I'm just going to talk to myself the whole time. Right, okay, so let's dive on in. Let's talk about the three linchpins for having a successful practice growth. And the first one that I want to talk to you about is all about the outcomes of the work that you do with your clients. And it's not just about the outcomes, it's actually about how you describe the outcomes, because your success is not going to be around you using terminology like we help you with cash flow, we help you with management accounts, we help you save tax. This kind of language is not going to help you grow your practice. We have to very, very clearly understand our ideal clients' pains. We have to understand the things that keep our clients awake at night and then talk to those problems and show people how we overcome those, the transformation that we give our clients. So as an accountant or a business advisor or consultant, you don't talk about the actions you take, you talk about the outcomes that you get for your clients. This alone will dramatically improve how you grow your practice. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to focus on. The second thing, okay, the second linchpin for having successful practice growth is talking about the value of these outcomes. And this is where so many of you get stuck. I see you go, how do I price my services? How do I actually decide? Do I want to value price? Do I want to list price? Do I want to subscription price? Do I want a firm fixed price? How do I price my services? And what we have to do as practice owners is price our services based on the outcomes, and we can't do that if we don't understand the outcomes. So we have to think, what is it we want to offer? What is the value to our clients, and what is that worth to our clients? Once we're clear on what that is worth, then we can go, the price for our services is XYZ. So we have to learn how to price. You have to learn how to price. You have to not only learn how to price, but also learn how to get the money in advance of doing the work. We don't get paid at year end. We get paid before we start work. Okay. So first thing, talk outcomes. Second thing, price for those outcomes. And then thirdly, you're not going to love me for this one. Thirdly, I'm going to have that niching conversation with you. If you are a generalist, if you want to work with everyone, you are not going to become an expert. You're not going to be able to provide the outcomes for your clients because you're not going to understand their businesses enough. Okay? You need to go, who is it that I do my best work with? Who is it that I get the best results for? And when you are super clear on who you get the best results for, you can then start to go after those kinds of clients again. Okay, so one of the things that I get my clients to do is create a list of all of the people that they do work for. So maybe you've got 100 clients, maybe you've got 200, maybe you've got 300 clients in your practice. Here is an action for you. I want you to make a huge list of all of your clients. Then I want you to put beside those clients the amount of time it takes to service them and the fee that they pay. Now, when you create this list, I bet my bottom dollar on the fact that 70% of your clients only pay you about 20% of the revenue of your practice. Okay, so 70% will pay 20 to 30% of the revenue of your practice. Now this goes back to the old rule of the 80-20 rule. So 80%, 70, 80% of your clients will pay you 20 to 30% of your income. That means that 20 to 30% of your clients will be paying you 70% of the income of your practice. So many of you complain about being overworked, underpaid, you feel stressed, you don't have freedom, you're working way too many hours, you're not getting paid sufficiently for the value that you provide, yet you're working with people that do not pay you. And you could actually afford to lose 70% of your client base and only lose 20 to 30% of your revenue. So I want you to seriously think about that. If you've got the right language promoting your offering, if you're pricing your offering correctly, and if you are targeting the right people, you're going to dramatically grow your practice. You're going to reduce your working hours. You're going to get better clients, and you're going to have a freedom practice, one that you really enjoy working in. And those three linchpins of getting clear on how you help people and offering a transformation, getting clear on pricing, and getting clear on who's an ideal client for those services will transform your practice. They're the three big linchpins. Now, if you would like some help with systemizing and scaling your practice, getting better clients, reducing your working hours, and increasing your revenue and your profits, then reach out and book a scale session with one of my team, and we will share with you how we transform accountancy practices so you can transform your clients' businesses too. I'll catch up with you all soon. See you later.